Now we're going to disconnect this connector right here. Just use a pick or a small screwdriver. You can move that lock back and then push down on the connector, disconnect it. Now use a Phillips head screwdriver, and there's 2 screws. Take those 2 screws out. One there and one there. Now just grab the mass airflow sensor, just give it a wiggle and slide it out. Now slide the sensor in place, push it down a little bit, get the screws started. And snug them down. Take the connector, line it up, lock it down, push down on the lock.